when warrantless searches can be performed. The Fourth Amendment ensures the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. But even with these protections in place, many of us are susceptible to warrantless searches. This includes going through the airport and the metal detectors, as well as crossing along national borders. Consent is providing officers permission to search you voluntarily and free of coercion. This is actually the most popular form of warrantless searches. The plain view doctrine allows officers to observe and seize illegal items that are visible to them when they are in a location they are permitted to be. The plain view doctrine actually expands to include plain sight, plain smell, and plain hear. So if an officer smells marijuana smoke coming from your car, you may be susceptible to a warrantless search as well. Searches of public school students can occur by a teacher or administrative staff. Students are subject to having their person patted down, their locker, or their backpack searched as well. Crime scenes can be searched without a warrant, and this is because it's considered an emergency situation and officers are there to collect information to help in resolving the crime. Exigent circumstances are emergency situations that allow officers to enter and search a residence without a warrant. When there is an immediate threat to public safety, officers are in hot pursuit of a defendant, danger of escape exists, or fear of evidence being destroyed, officers may search, arrest, or question suspects without obtaining a warrant. Prison administrators are permitted to search prison cells, and the reasonableness standard does not have to be met. So do all those in prison, room burns are permitted. Probationers are subject to warrantless searches. This means if you're on probation paperwork and you come in contact with law enforcement, you will likely be searched. Anticipated. Searches incident to lawful arrest permit officers to perform a warrantless search. So if you are arrested, you will be searched. And if you are in possession of your vehicle while you are arrested, your vehicle will be searched as well and inventoried. A car is considered to be a readily mobile vehicle, and probable cause exists to believe it contains contraband. Police can search the vehicle without warrant. The motor vehicle exemption allows officers to search any containers found inside the vehicle that could contain evidence or contraband being searched for. And objects can belong to passengers as well. Arrest of the driver justifies the search of passengers' property, and when a driver is arrested, the car is impounded and inventoried as well. Warrantless interceptions of communications or communications between informants and suspects, and when intercepted lawfully, officers are permitted to record and use evidenced recordings. As you can see, warrantless searches can occur under many different circumstances. You've been informed, and this is one more moment with Dr. Moore.